Pre-Christmas fire swept through a section of downtown Kingston yesterday, leaving more than 30 residents homeless. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Let's Talk. This is a situation that we have to bring you up to date with right now on the program after a massive fire have left more than 30 residents homeless over there in downtown Kingston. This fire happened yesterday and the firefighters tried their very best in order to put the fire under control. However, their efforts proved futile after the fire ravaged a number of buildings and left a number of people without a roof over their head. This couldn't have come at a worse time when we are just in the festive season, just 2 days away from Christmas, and it's one of those situations that people really need to be mindful of and be cognizant of the fact that these situations are likely to occur during this period of time. It is unsure what really caused the fire. However, we're going to try to bring you up to date as what the firefighters theorized happened in relation to this story. So let me just bring you up to date with this right now on Links 007 TV. So approximately 30 residents have been left homeless after a fire of unknown origin destroyed several houses in a tenement settlement located at the intersection of Charles and Church Street in downtown Kingston on Wednesday afternoon. No one was physically hurt in the blaze. Reports are that about 1 p.m. a resident in the area saw smoke coming from one of the dwellings and raised an alarm. 4 fire units from the Yorktown and Trenchtown fire station responded to the call, but despite their response and the quick speed that they took in order to get to the location, the dwellings were totally destroyed. Miss Lindsay stated that she was in downtown when she saw smoke coming from that area. She also rushed to the area only to find out that it was her sister's house that was engulfed in flames. So the firefighters tried their very best in order to put out the blaze. However, their efforts proved futile after the fire raged through the building. Now we're going to bring you up to date with an actual image of the actual fire on the premises during this time, and I can tell you it is a sight that it's very sad to see what really transpired here. But we're gonna just bring you up to date with this and try to bring you the latest that we have in relation to this story. So we're gonna go over to our screen right now on the program for this latest update from Links 007 TV. So as you can see there, the buildings are totally engulfed in flames, and the residents tried to save some of the items from the dwelling. However, some persons were not that lucky in order to save anything from this massive inferno that swept the street of downtown Kingston early yesterday afternoon. And as you can see there, the fire was raging through the building as people and firefighters tried frantically just in order to save what they could during this moment. As you could see, the firefighters trying to battle the massive blaze, but their efforts proved very futile as they could not bring this under control before the entire dwelling was actually destroyed. Well, there you have it. That was the actual scene of the fire that took place in downtown Kingston. And I can tell you, I can't just imagine what these residents are going through during this difficult time after this would have been the festive season and many would have looking out to enjoy a wonderful Christmas. Now, this has left these residents in a state of uncertainty of what Christmas to expect. So it is stated that family members right now are very unsure of their next move after 30 of them are left homeless. So we are not sure what will come of this, whether the government will try to put some measures in place to assist these residents, but we are hoping that they can find some alternative means in the shortest possible time in order to bring some level of normalcy back to the lives of these people. Because up to late Wednesday, some residents of the community claimed that the blaze was caused by a man who actually was burning some debris in the back of the yard, and this is what basically led to the fire. But we cannot confirm or deny that at this particular time, whether or not, because we have not received an official report from any of the fire units that were on site or the fire personnel. So we cannot really concretely state that was the actual cause of the fire. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with the latest report that we have to bring to you on this. And I might be starting something in aid of this for these residents as well. So hopefully we're able to get that off the ground as well, because this is going to be very difficult for these residents in this current situation in order to get some level of normalcy back to their life. This has been Kingston 7 TV. Thanks for watching, and we say peace out and bless.